the chamfer foil from a white bottle, make sure you clear for 60 seconds under proper LED lamp. I say proper, it means it had to clear properly for you. Like the last 2 weeks, if you see me struggling with my LED lamp, that I have to say bye to it because it was dead on me. So doesn't matter how I try to rescue it, this doesn't work for me. So premiums I hold chamfer foil. I do that a lot on the live stream because it only take me half a minute, which is 30 seconds. So they should, good ideas, live us. Keep what doesn't matter, you can do a clear as well. You can do a clear as well, but the reason is I like this one so much. You know why? Because it's not solid. That's a good point. Live us want a clear look, but this is how I like a lot about this because it have ombre. So even though, like for instance, the clients just want to chamfer foil like kind of a rainbow scale like this, and you can do even like a chamfer. This one before I put crystal on, it looks so stunning. It's already did the work for me, so it's did all the ombre for me. So then you don't have to spend like maybe half an hour to try to blend the color, and it's make your work is so much easier because then you can able to do more nail art, I guess. And instead of spend half an hour, because sometimes like this, you will have to think like this. It's really depend on the clientele if they're willing to be like pay $30 per nail art because it take you longer, right? You can't be pricing the clients. I'm gonna do 30 seconds for this. You can't price the clients for like half an hour of your work for $5 nail art. It means that you're undercharged for your services and your skills, your techniques, and your products, and you're being frustrated that why you work so hard and you don't ever make a business like working. You see what I mean? So I didn't have another like talking and consult about how I did consult the clients, that I have the clients that will come in and looking at our like hand painted roses and can I get one of that one to frame? So like it's take me time because I have to know the frame, the black frame, both of them, 3 of them. I have to spend time to mixing the colors and then to have custom the color from a darker to the lighter so that it fitting with what I need for the painting. So it take a little bit more time, and when it do like this, it doesn't look like precise like you have a chamfer foil or sticker, of course, because it's naturally creates, you know. But then like something like this, but then each nails like this will be, you know, a good between $25-$30, believe or not. And yes, and then I do have a client say, yes, Nancy, absolutely, I will pay for it. But then if there's some clients that want something is really cool, cute, fun, and in really quick, but then they couldn't like do $30 per nails, and you have another alternative. Like you can do chamfer foil, you can do stickers, which is mean it's not like something you cheating, it's something that it will more efficiency for you. Like it mean you get the clients in and out in 5-10 minutes, but then you can charge them good accordingly, $10 instead of you are charging them too expensive or less. So it's fair for you and fair for the clients, in my opinion. So after 30 seconds, I'm gonna press this one on. Ooh, my hands have an oil. Okay, so if you wanna make sure that you can avoiding a lot of crease, make sure you get it right in the center. It's gonna be excited segment today, and this is for you, nobody but you. I'm so obsessed with this, and I'm waiting to the seconds like stream will going, and then we're gonna do liquid gunpowder to support all of you who is, look at that. I do have it because I want to do crystal placement here. All right, so should we do all of them and then go back to crystal placement? Okay, let's do that then. In the meantime, I'm queuing this. I am going to do a